Mohammad Ghadi is the best Arabic teacher you can ever find. He is impeccably well educated, and his great attention to detail and his ability to speak different languages make communication fluent and very easy. His methodology is unique and effective, and its online format, far from being something negative, allows you to take the lessons anytime and anywhere. Moreover, Mohammad is very flexible and tries to adapt to your availability as much as possible. I personally began studying with him from scratch, and I've already felt a huge improvement. After living in Lebanon for a year without being able to speak a word in Arabic, I started studying online with Mohammad, and now I'm able to understand and maintain a basic conversation in my daily life. I highly recommend his classes to anyone who wants to learn Arabic in the correct way while having fun. It's without a doubt a lifetime investment. Visit our website, link in description under the video. lingua.com. Teaching Arabic as a foreign language since 2006.